So we are back, and now we are going to look at another set of airline amenity kits. These three that we have are kind of within the America, South America range. So we're just going to dive straight in. So here we have Hawaiian Airlines Premium Economy, which is what they call extra comfort. So very cute felt bag situation.
Yes, and something I love about this is that the products that are inside this kit are fully traceable. So they've actually included information on the back with where everything's from. And also too, I really love this little swing tag here. So the design is inspired by the Hawaiian black coral, dental kit, earplugs.
I think the quality of these is quite basic. I've definitely gotten one of these packs and I haven't ended up using these, but if you're giving them to all passengers, it's a good way to get it into the pack.
Now, this is the first kit that we've seen that has a face mist, and I am a huge fan of face mist. I don't know about you, Sarah, but
Absolutely.
oh my goodness, especially when you're just feeling a bit, you know, like maybe you've had your makeup on for a few hours on your flight and you want to refresh it. Such a great idea. Tissues, we haven't come across tissues just yet either. A sunscreen.
Yes, and I love this because it is reef safe.
Yes.
Which is so important when you're going to Hawaii.
Absolutely. We've actually got a really great roundup of reef-safe sunscreens on viva.co.nz. Shameless plug if you would like to read about that.
I love that it's got a comb, and I actually still have my Hawaiian Airlines comb. So not bad for a premium economy. We have their business class, which comes with slippers. Oh, they're so soft. Okay.
Oh,
very cute.
Those are really cool.
Actually very nice. You've got the little
Yes.
material pad situation.
Similar products as what we have already gone through with the face mist and the lip balm, body care. Got our comb again. This time a pen, an all-important pen, which we keep highlighting. And then earplugs, tissues, dental kit, sunscreen,
All the
reef safe
essentials.
sunscreen, and we have some socks, which have the same
Little fake jandals.
jandal design.
Interesting. And so apart from the slippers, I don't think, is there anything in the pen? Not sure if there's
There's
anything
nothing
different.
to, and the socks,
and the
sorry.
socks.
That's
okay,
it.
so it's more of a footwear edition.
Yeah.
We are going to be flying with LATAM Airways. These bags, we've been told, are a little bit simpler than the others, but they are sustainable. So they're made using sustainable materials. Big tick, we love sustainable materials.
Yes, absolutely.
And they're both the same bags, but just slightly different pattern, which is very fun. I'm really liking this, actually. And these guys have, again, similar to the other ones, partnered with a local-ish brand, a Brazilian cosmetics brand called Fito,
Brazil.
Yeah.
Now, I actually love these.
Yes, those are fantastic.
I really love these because honestly, there is nothing worse than just like turfing your toothbrush into your toiletry bag, and then all of a sudden it's getting mixed with all kinds of other bits and pieces in there. Oh, that's a little towelette. That's really nice, actually, like a moist towelette to like
that.
behind the neck, over the face if you don't have any makeup on.
Quite a solid strap on this one, which is
I
quite
like
nice.
that. I like how it's got the toweling material inside as well. Oh, that's probably one of my favourite eye masks so far.
I would agree, yeah.
See, I would wear these again.
Yes, love the colour.
Love the colour, nice neutral, you know.
Now we're going to be flying just business class with United. They've partnered with Away, which is a American luggage brand, luxury luggage brand, and they look like little suitcases.
They do, they're really
real
cute.
And it's all
Okay.
strapped in like a little
that
bag.
is nice, I love that. So we've got some wee tissues, and a pen, a dental kit. Oh, I've seen something I like. Oh my goodness. She's excited. Sunday Riley. If you are a fan of Mecca, you will know Sunday Riley. I am obsessed with this brand. Oh my goodness. And so again, good all-round products. Well, you just dive in right in.
let's get into it.
Excited. Okay. Airplane mode.
That's quite fun.
That
I
is
love
quite fun.
That's smart.
Yeah,
Not
that
sure
is-
if I would use it, but
No.
Oh wait, no. Checked out.
Oh.
Different messages.
I love that.
That's very cute. Fantastic, and that's a wrap.